Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Alien Isolation from Scratch. I apologize in advance because this is going to be a bit of a horror show. I'm going to show the characters today. And yeah, let's just get started. So this is Taylor, and you can see lots of details in her clothes now. This was a lot of trouble to get right, but yeah, there's something wrong with her neck and her eyes are missing. But yeah, this is a bit disturbing. Oh dear, wait, I'm sorry. This camera stuff is a bit clunky right now. So yeah, I'm sorry about the missing eyes. They're actually all the way up there. So these are her eyes, and her eyes are not rendered properly yet. It's a very special shader to render the eyes, and I have not implemented it yet. I will at some point, but not yet. And her mouth is also here, needless to say. But yeah, I don't know why exactly the characters are stored in this way. I'm gonna have to ask the developers or the artists. I have no idea. But that's the way that they're stored. And this is supposed to be wetness. I think they call it wetness. It's just sweat. But I'm not rendering it properly. I'm rendering it at a smoothness. But that's not the right thing to do because it just looks like the person has a very smooth patch of skin here. That's not what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be water. So I think this is more of a clear coat thing. I don't have clear coat implemented on my renderer, but I will. So I think I'll implement it as clear coat and try and see what happens. But I think that would fix the problem because yeah, it looks like she has like a scar that is very, very smooth. And the same here. So all of this is supposed to be some sweat, but it just looks like very smooth skin instead. I have also not implemented subsurface scattering. You might notice that this looks very much like a doll, and it's not supposed to look like a doll. So in the game they have subsurface scattering implemented. I don't have subsurface scattering implemented. Boy, this looks scary. Jeez. What the heck? Okay. Let's have a look at her. What am I doing? This is very slow. I changed the velocity in order to make the video. Boobs. Sorry, that was immature. And clothes. Yeah, this looks decent and pretty close to what she looks like in the game. So getting there. The hair, it is also supposed to be rendered with a special shader, but I don't have a special shader for the hair, so I'm just rendering it as well, semi-transparent things. But as you can see, the hair is not dense enough, so it looks like she's a bit bald. I have to fix that. This is her wound. Zoom into the wound. Yeah, this reminds me that YouTube asks me if this video is made for children. No, this is definitely not made for children today. Oh my god. Alright, let's show a different character. I have a list of characters that are used in the torrents. Plus a few other ones that are not available in the torrents. I won't show that one today because it's a lot of trouble to switch maps. So I'll work my way up this list. So there's Samuels, and Samuels will be the android. So there you go. Also scary. And he also has, his hair is missing because his hair is up here. One of the characters has the eyebrows is moved to be her mustache. I'm gonna show this soon. Yeah, it doesn't look half bad. Maybe too zoomed in. Kind of a denim, I don't know how to call this, denim or, yeah, I suppose that's denim, or jeans, painted jeans. I actually went to the trouble of taking several screenshots from the game and comparing them with this and seeing, oh, is this in the right place, is this in the right place? Because initially it wasn't. Like, this was just mad banana cakes. I had to figure out where the multipliers are for the texture coordinates to get everything to align properly. And yeah, now it does. So yeah, that's Samuel's. That's the alien. Oh dear. I hope Fox doesn't sue me or something. So here we go. Oh dear Lord, it looks dead. Yeah, this is pretty broken. Yeah, it's special shaders I don't have implemented. He's basically entirely made of skin, and I don't have subsurface scattering implemented. So he looks a bit, I don't know, made of plastic or something. And he should look a bit more organic than this. What are those? Yeah, you can see the adaptation that Creative Assembly did, because they didn't like the feet. The original feet, or the original alien is just a guy in a rubber suit, and the feet, the legs didn't look right, so they changed it. They changed the legs to have this weird third bone here, which was pretty cool actually. It made him look scarier. I would like to show the tail. It's a bit hard. Yeah, I also went to the trouble of looking at this thing, like these marks. They're brighter. Found some screenshots on the web and took some screenshots myself. Well, not of the alien, sorry, I didn't take any screenshots, I just found screenshots on the internet and compared them. And yeah, they're in the right place now, which is great. Here we are. Yeah, let's go to the next one. Verlaine. Verlaine is the one that has the eyebrow mustache. Not sure why they did that. Like, look at that. Yeah, it's supposed to be a little bit up there. This was hard to get right as well. These patterns. Yeah, this also checked the position if it was correct. Hair is all the way up there. Yeah. There's Verlaine. Connor and Conrad. This is basically the same character, so I'm not sure what's going on. So this is Connor. Conrad is like exactly the same. Oops. Just the mouth is slightly open. Yeah, see? That is Conrad now. And that is Connor. Yeah, Connor. This looks a bit weird. Not sure if it's correct. I'm not sure if anything here is correct, but it looks reasonable. It doesn't look great. It still doesn't. It's a bit too wet. It's not supposed to be this wet, reflective. I think these are supposed to be metal and they're not. And most of it looks pretty decent. The bump maps are a bit exaggerated because they're not handling bump strength. Search, rescue, and salvage. Right. Okay, let's go to the next one. Ricardo, Android, and Ripley. Ripley is the first. So this is the first person model. And yeah, just look at it. What the heck? I think they animate the hands separately from the rest. And the nails are pretty bizarre for some reason. Not sure if it's supposed to be like that. Probably not. Yeah, this is the wound that the alien makes on Ripley. And her clothes though, they look pretty good. Pretty good. Bit of a horror show though. And that's her watch. Let's see if I can zoom into her watch. Yeah. Watch! Okay, so that's Ripley. And are we done? We are done. I can show some other things, like individually, like the sumo guy. Sumo doll. Hey, hello! Paper, electrical box. What is an electrical box? I don't remember. Alright, that thing. Yeah, it is there because I was trying to fix the metal, but clearly I have not succeeded yet. And this is supposed to be sign of distance fields. So right now I'm just rendering it, and it just looks very blurry. It's supposed to have like a clean outline, clean and clear outline. Dressing. Dressing is just all the set dressing. So all the boxes and stuff. Trolley. Medical apparatus. And freight lifter. Oh yeah, that's just the freight lifter, because I was trying to fix the stripes on the freight lifter. And yeah, I fixed it, but there is some dirt. The dirt is busted. There should be like more dirt, much more dirt. Like this whole thing should be covered in dark dirt. And yeah, should be fixed soon. Sorry. There's a piece of wall on the turrets, because I was trying to get this here right. And I did get it kind of right, so it looks pretty close to what you see in the game. Like these little details. Looks pretty close. The rest is not though. This is supposed to be orange. But it's not. Yep. What else? Cryobed. Oh yeah, I was trying to get the cryobed right. So, cryobed. Now I'm just messing around. This video is basically over, but I'm just messing around a little bit. Yeah, I was trying to get these scratches correct. So, I think I did. They're kind of correct now, but this is supposed to be metal. I mean, the metals are busted, basically. Reflectivity and metals are definitely not correct. They're just way wrong. So, that's for our next video. Upcoming videos. Yeah, this looks pretty good now. There's a lot of scratches, a lot of dirt, so many layers in this thing. This stuff here is also a layer. It's just bananas. Bed interior. Bed interior is also pretty cool. It has a bunch of layers as well. and it was a lot of trouble to get it right. A lot of trouble. So filthy near the feet, filthy and dark. There's some stains and dirt in there. It's looking great, looking much better. Crash cart. This is the medical thing. It's not very interesting. It's like, what the heck is that? Oh, it's a crash cart. Yeah. Glasses are still busted. It also requires a special shader to render glasses because of the refraction and the distortion. And they haven't implemented it yet. And medical. I think this is the entire medical bay, but without the dressing, without the set dressing. So, oops. Yep. Yay! Yeah. And I think I have the bridge here as well. Bridge. And there's the defibrillator. Defibrillate. Yeah, nobody cares about the defibrillator, Daniel. It was very hard to get the defibrillator to be in the right place. Well, alright, the bridge. Yeah, I've shown the bridge in the other video, but I'm gonna show it a little bit more now. Monitor. Oops, sorry about that. Let's move to the floor. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Really is not half bad. Yeah, alright guys, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.